Is altcoin season officially here? I'm going to answer. Stick around to the very end. This is DC Perspective back with another YouTube video. Let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. It is telling us an 81, which means extreme greed, not financial advice. Right now is not a good time to go all in on altcoins. If we take a look at the past 7 days, Bitcoin up 14%, Ethereum up 13%. XRP up 9%. I told you guys to be patient. Many XRP Ripple investors were frustrated because it was not moving. Well, it's moving now. And then we have Cardano, the big winner, at 43%. If you guys listened to me back in the beginning of 2023, I told you guys to dollar cost average. You guys would have been well in profits. Well, you guys get started today. Don't wait. Because people are FOMOing into crypto. Everyone's anticipating for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Everyone's waiting for the Bitcoin halving. Everyone's waiting for crypto regulation. Now the question is, are we in a altcoin season? Is altcoin season officially here? Before I answer that, let's take a look at the XRP Ripple chart on the weekly. The MACD indicator is telling us to buy. We have been respecting this 60-cent support level, right? This was once strong resistance. Eventually we broke through after XRP won the lawsuit. Now, guys, it looks like right here, this is the new support. Very, very strong. We did not close the weekly below 60 cents, and it wants to make a move to higher prices. Now, there's 3 indicators to look at when you want to know if we are officially in altcoin season. Those 3 indicators I am going to tell you guys right now. So first indicator to look at is at the Bitcoin dominance. What do we see from the Bitcoin dominance? Well, the Bitcoin dominance is very, very strong, right? Bitcoin dominance is at 54%. This right here calculates Bitcoin against the rest of the altcoins. And as you guys can clearly see, Bitcoin has been rising, and rising. So first indicator basically telling us, no, we are not officially in altcoin season, which is a good sign. You still have some time. So I tell everyone, take action right now. Dollar cost average is that simple. The Bitcoin dominance is telling us altcoin season is not here just yet. We are waiting for this dominance to go back down. Once it's around the 40 to 30% range, well, then that's when we can say, yes, officially altcoin season is here. The second indicator to look at is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Well, if we take a look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, it has not flipped. Ethereum has not flipped Bitcoin. Yes, we are testing key support. I expect to bounce off this support and see Ethereum head to higher prices. Once we see that, well, then Ethereum will eventually flip Bitcoin, and then that means we are officially in the altcoin season. So we need to see the ETH/BTC chart go up. Right now it's going down, and this is telling us, no, we are not in altcoin season. Last but not least, just take a look at the Ethereum price. Ethereum right now is trying to break through. We are struggling around here, right? We did, break through eventually to 2,100 and up. The current price of Ethereum is at 2,300. We need to see Ethereum continue to higher prices. The third indicator to look at is if the Bitcoin price, right, is consolidating. When we see the Bitcoin price consolidate and altcoin season do the opposite, which is rise to higher prices, then that is when we know we're going to be in altcoin season. So we have 3 indicators right now telling us, no, we are not in altcoin season. This is your sign to take action right now, dollar cost average, because at any moment we can get a Bitcoin, ETF approved in America. We can get crypto regulation, and the Bitcoin halving is less than 5 months away. I'm not going to tell you guys more than once. This is your sign to get in, take action, not financial advice. What do we see from Bitcoin right now? It's continuing to the upside. It's not consolidating. It looks like we may see $45,000 Bitcoin today. So yeah, just keep an eye out for that. Taking a look at the DXY right now. What do we see? The DXY is rising somewhat if this thing loads up. Yes, it is recovering. It has been on a downtrend. As for the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is rising as well, right? The S&P 500 is rising if this thing loads, but for some reason it doesn't want to load. There you go. It is rising. So yes, good thing is S&P still up very high. DXY is, you know, somewhat low. It's recovering. Bitcoin is soaring because people are anticipating for a Bitcoin ETF to be approved. As you guys can see, since the beginning of 2023, Bitcoin has been up almost 170%. Wake up, guys. Do not miss out. If you want to make real money, altcoin season or altcoins are the answer, right? If you already have money, if you're already a millionaire, you want to keep your money safe, well, then Bitcoin's the answer, right? Bitcoin is used to hedge against inflation. It is the new digital gold, as they say. With that being said, as we get closer to 2024, we're going to start hearing more rumors that a Bitcoin ETF will be approved. Until then, we just got to be patient. Don't listen, right? Just mute yourself from the media because all they care about is clicks, views, engagement. So they're going to exaggerate, say, yes, it might happen tomorrow, it might happen next week, just to get your attention. Understand it is going to happen. It's a matter of when, not a matter of if. We already know that. So right now, what you guys need to do is dollar cost average. Have a strategy, have an exit strategy so you know when to exit out. With that being said, if you guys want to know what is happening with China, right? There's some crazy things with China. Go click this right here, guys. Go check it out right now. Because no one's talking about this, right? This is DC Perspective, back with another YouTube video. Peace.